We are moving to Fort Valley, Georgia. Fort Valley, Georgia.
Nothing like it.
We'll find out. So you may ask, okay, Fort Valley, Georgia, where are you staying at? We are remodeling this apartment right here. It's pretty much like a studio, basically. We are remodeling it, redesigning it. I'll take you inside on a little bit tour. Just to let you know, it is, there's a lot of stuff to be done. So I'll show it to you. Like I said, we're going to remodel this area. Here is going to be the bedroom area. We are getting some of the former people that lived here stuff out. Here is, like I said, we're gonna redo this tile right here. Gonna work on some of the walls, of course, the blinds. Of course, take up the floor. Put new laminate down. New blinds. Work with this kitchen area over here. Take this out. That out. Work on the bathroom. New laminate down. New shower stuff. Get the kitchen looking good. Get it cleaned out. And also this will be kind of like our, over here will be kind of like our entertainment area. Have a couch, washer and dryer, hopefully in this area around here, just depending on how much. Basically what we're going to be doing, guys, is taking you on our journey of remodeling our apartment, remodeling our new house behind me, and we want you, the creative community, to be a part of it, and also give us some advice. If you see like, oh, you can change this or change that, or because this is the first time we've actually done something like this. We want you to be a part of the journey. So comment down below things that you can see. Oh, I did this when I remodeled my house, or I did that. We want you to be part of it too.